Hi everyone, so today I want to unbox with you Mira by Amore in the color ginger brown. Ever since I saw that style, I was like, that's definitely on my list. I need to try this one. So luckily Adrian's Trendco sent me one so I can do exactly that. Ginger brown is one of my favorite brunette colors. It's a very natural color. Let's look at the cap construction. We have a mono top, we have an extended lace front, and we have a hand-tied cap, extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters, velvet covered ear tabs. A little bit of stretch in this cap. Okay, right. Let's try it on. Right, so let me just shake it ever so slightly. And then let's pop it on. Oh, it feels light. Oh, it's cute. Oh, it's cute. Right, let me just double check that it is in the right spot. 4 fingers from the bridge of your nose. Yep. Oh, how cute is this? Oh my goodness. This is adorable. So let me not play with it too much. So I want to show you what it looks like straight out of the box. This is so cute. Let's look at the lace front. Look at this lace front. Wow. That's beautifully done. Let's look at the part. Let's see where I want to part it. Wow, that part looks amazing. Wow, I just have to decide where I want to part it. This is so cute. No permatease, low density, great movement. This is absolutely adorable. So Mira by Amore is available from Adrian's Trendco. Use my code K20 for an amazing 20% off, and I will put the link down below in the description box and pin it to the comments as well. Have a wonderful day. Bye.